morning.
Good morning.
So, what's new with GRWM?
So for today we have the launch of the Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Lip Max. So this is a cooling lip balm. So perfect siya dahil, you know, in a few months pa summer na tayo. So we want something nourishing and at the same time very cooling sa lips, especially ang init sa Philippines. So we really push through with this launch kasi bawal na ang dry lips sa 2025.
And what's new with the new Lip Max?
For the new Lip Max, guys, this is a very highly nourishing na lip balm. Plus, it gives you a cooling sensation. So, very comfortable siya even if you reapply it or even if you layer it up, it doesn't feel heavy on the lips. So, very magaan siya on the lips. Kasi di ba may common issue tayo with glosses or balms na mabigat sa lips. But the Lip Max is very, very comfortable on the lips.
Can you share us kay short story lang, paano kayo nag-come up with the new Lip Max?
So we do market research actually, also do market trends na research, and then it came to us na ang mga Pilipino, they really love cooling products. And at the same time, we also love yung mga nourishing mga lip balms, lip oils. So, this is our take when it comes to lip balms. So, alam niyo na nauuso yung mga lip balm na nasa squeeze foam, right? But we had not so good experience kasi when it comes to traveling, like minsan sumasabog siya, etc. So, nung nag-discuss kami sa R&D and sa mga packaging engineers namin, we decided to go with the bottle with a good doe foot applicator. So we had it customized para kapag ginamit niyo siya on your lips, it's very comfortable siya. Yun, at madaling i-apply. So yun yung difference sa kanya. So we really invested in the formula and also the component.
And ma'am, syempre nandun kami nung launch ni Hard.
Yes.
This time, may iniisip ba kayong endorser especially for Lip Max na?
As of the moment, wala pa. So, but for 2025, we are also focusing on strengthening our community. So, our community is the representation of Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. So, Get Ready With Me Cosmetics is you.
And syempre, kaka-start pala ng 2025. Can you please parang give us teaser of what's coming to GRWM this year?
So this year, like I said earlier, we are also focusing on our community, and at the same time, we are launching more Philippine weather friendly products and more sustainable options, no? Like we are working on product refills, and we are also working with different NGOs.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.